Hello everyone. Today let's check how we can clean our mobile speaker using sound. Open the settings, scroll down, scroll, click on additional settings, scroll, select the clear speaker option. Let's go through these lines once. Play a 30-second audio to clear the speaker. Use this feature multiple times in a row for substantial amounts of grime. Grime means dirt or dust. Click on that arrow button at the right side. It will play a 30-second audio with a beep sound, and this sound will remove all the dirt and dust inside the speaker.